camper, all of them. I was just thinking that when we rode up here, I was like, dang, this is an ad for literally every overland product. We have every kind of bumper, every kind of tent, every kind of tops, racks, lights. A cornucopia, if you will.
If you guys want to know anything about me, just know that you have al pastor on the menu. That is most likely my protein choice. Just cooked up the rest, packed them up. This is probably gonna be lunch for another day. All right, so just got done cleaning, put everything away. I think it's time to head out of the spot, head into town, pack up on some things, because I have plans this weekend to go to Alvord Desert, I think that's what it's called. Yeah, I'm meeting some people up there to do a camping trip. So I'll see you guys back in town. You guys don't know, I'm a sucker for pizza, so while I'm in then I actually do want to try some of the food here, not just cook my own food. So looks like this is the best spot to go eat pizza. I asked on Instagram too, what's a good spot to go eat pizza. Everyone recommended Pizza Mondo, so I'm gonna go check that place out. And then after this, head out to one of these spots that we're all gonna meet up at to go camp for the night. And then afterwards, we're headed out to Alvord Desert. That is the plan for today. But yeah, see you guys then. Sorry, I got way too hungry and started eating. But anyways, Pizza Mondo, check it out. Super good. So just got a full tank of gas. Also just got the pin on where everybody's at. Going to head out to the spot right now. It's going to be about an hour and 34 minutes away. Sounds like they're out trailing right now. Hopefully I'll join them here shortly. I'll see you guys there.
The dog, yeah. You don't have the dog.
Time is better.
Because FaceTime is Apple.
More stuff.
It's the same like. No, do that.
Tip. Yeah, that's better. Check. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, check. 4, 5, 6. Copy. So there's a link for French Glen, and that's a gas station that we're heading to. We're gonna head there, link up with Jacob, and then head straight to Alvord Desert. Copy. Copy. Alright, let's go. You guys make it out to that spot? We're looking for him or no? After this gray sedan, it's clear. All wide open. Clear. Clear. Clear after the sedan. Jacob's gonna take the lead, so it'll be Jacob, then followed by... The campsite, pick which one we want, and then we can cruise around and see what we can mess around and do stuff and take pictures, drone shots and whatever. That sounds good with the stop, and then, like I said, I got the Gazelle, so when we find a spot, we don't want to stop just yet. Like I said, the Gazelle will hold our place. Sweet. Copy that. Copy. Drone in the sky. Drone in the sky. Let him fly. Abby's gonna fly there too. Mini in the sky. Drone in the sky. Then everybody needs to be one vehicle length back and one vehicle length to the left or right.
Hey Jacob, what's the history lesson around this area?
Don't get dysentery on the Oregon Trail, but the biggest thing is the Yellowstone eruption, and then through the ice ages and the Great Flood pushed all of this lava, rock, sediments through this area, creating the sagebrush and grass break, and then all the fertile farmlands that you see. So that's kind of the history behind this from a couple million years ago. Come on the left. Left is good. Right is good. I say again, right is good.
Go.
You're gonna get fed. You can nope, leave it. Tuck, leave it. Oh, I know. Eric gives the best stuff out ever. Those are airheads.
You have to have them on.
The tent load. It's the tent.
I know that. I'm trying to like put more.
I was just like barely past like the tipping point.
and they're dead.
Actually, get my mansion shot too.
Watch. Watch. It levels itself. John, look. Look at that. It doesn't even need a freaking level. Like bubble. It just.
We gotta tag Toyota in this shit. Back. Bro, Toyota, iCamper, all of them. I was just thinking that when we were rolling up here, I was like, dang, this is an ad for literally every overland product. We have every kind of bumper, every kind of tent, every kind of tops, racks, lights. A cornucopia, if you will. There's the rancher pushing them in. Oh, we were saying thank you. Thank you very much. Y'all come back now, you hear? Y'all enjoy the rest of your day. New York City! Let's do the Polar Express. Snowpiercer. Nice. Well, you know, we'd all be in the back car. Water's over here by this Subaru Bev.
This is like better than pay-per-view, man.
Bro, I don't know if there's even going in there. It's getting heavy though.
Oh, that's easy. That's it, bro. Aim at the plate. Aim at the plate.
Let's ride. Up somewhere, I just gotta check my tires because of my, it's blinking right now. Copy that, tire check. There's a turn up here. I don't know if that's someone's property though. 1 second. Yeah, that looks like a driveway to that red house. When in room. When I read that one, it says a lady. Her name is Leslie. probably because we have a weakened immune system.